Hi, I'm going to show you how to play the B chord on the piano. The B chord is also known as the B major chord. First you locate your root note B, play this with your first finger. Locate your next note, it's called D sharp, play this with your third finger. Locate your last note, it's called F sharp, play this with your fifth finger. The B major chord. Now, because the B major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or the root note inversion because the root note is at the bottom of the chord. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note B all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called B first inversion. To make the next inversion, move the bottom note, this time D sharp, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called B second inversion. Now you'll notice if we do one more inversion, moving the F sharp, the bottom note, all the way to the top, like this, you will in fact be back at the root note inversion, just like the one we started with, just one octave higher, right? So this is B root inversion, and this is B root inversion. Now, of course, you can do it the other way around, going downwards on the piano. This is B root inversion. Now move the top note to the bottom of the chord. Move your hand. This is B second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom of the chord. This is B first inversion. Move the top note to the bottom of the chord. This is B root inversion. Okay, let's do it one more time. B root inversion. B first inversion. B second inversion. B root inversion. And downwards. B second inversion. B first inversion. B root inversion. So to practice these inversions, simply play like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, and root. Now lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the B major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.